What is up, guys? In today's video we are going to be doing the final assembly of the KA that is going in the red S14. And although that it's been really fun and I have learned a shitload from assembling the engine and this and that, I'm ready to be done with this shit. I just want to drive the car. So we're going to be completely finishing that out today, and hopefully in the next video with the S14 we're going to be getting the engine in the car and hopefully started for the first time. So I'm not going to talk too much. Let's just jump right into this shit. fucking way, bro. Well, the engine is finally assembled and it is ready to go into the car. Man, I am so happy with how this thing turned out. It looks so good. Being whenever I got it out, it was all like caked up with oil and grime and this and that you saw whenever you watched the video that I was pressure washing everything, right? Whenever I got it out, if you didn't go check out that video, go check it out. It was disgusting. But man, this thing looks like a brand new engine. So I am so ready to get this engine finally into the car next weekend. Hopefully we can get it running for the first time. That'll be absolutely insane. But first I got to do the clutch pedal. I have to drill out into the firewall and so I can mount the clutch master and then mount the clutch pedal. I'll do that throughout the week so then next weekend I can actually work on getting the engine into the car. But with that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.